Hello guys, today I was sitting on Dutch eBay and I saw this ad, Visaton Atlas. He posted it middle in the night, a quarter to 3, he posted this ad and he has 135. And that's a big joke because if you know what kind of drivers there are inside, they are so expensive, these drivers. I'm not sure this is a do-it-yourself speakers. Yeah, this is the Atlas DSM MK III. Yeah, this is how it is if you have the right veneer on it. Yeah, because these ones are ugly, old, but this is how it could look like if you could veneer it again. It have a height from 1.70 meters, so almost as tall as me. And it is a 5-way combination because let me see, it is 8 ohm. Employs the TEV 408 ohm high-tech speakers as long-stroke woofers. Yeah, they have internal drivers. You don't see them on the outside, but they have internal drivers. So these are fantastic, but fantastic sounding speakers, my friends. Because when a speaker brand would make these speakers for sale, for selling, I mean, it would be almost impossible, or not impossible, it would be very expensive, very, very expensive. Because only if you do it yourself, I think these speakers will cost you at least 2,000 euro. If you do it yourself, at least. I'm not sure. I did not calculate it, the drivers piece by piece, but they are expensive. And you don't even see all drivers. They have also internal drivers. Yeah. I think the long stroke. Yeah, the TIV 250 woofer is internal. Yeah. And I can tell you that do-it-yourself was very popular around between 1980 and it started around earlier than 1980, I think 1975, 1970, 1975, up till I think 1990. 1995 it was popular, yeah, because everybody knew that when you made this speaker yourself, you had a far superior sound as if you would bought in the shop speakers from 2,000 euro or gilder time. I often make that mistake, gilder and euro, but okay. I think these speakers would cost you to make in 1980, 1985, around, or 90, not sure from which year they are, this design, it would cost you maybe 2,000 guilders. Yeah, but in the shop, if there were speakers in the shop with the same sound quality, they would cost about 5 times more. So that's why it was popular those days. Nowadays, people do not make speakers anymore, not that many, and if they make speakers, they make those smaller speakers, what also can sound very good if you have the good drivers inside them. Because speakers, my friend, good or bad speakers, it is all to make with the filter quality and the driver quality, especially the driver quality. And if a speaker brand is going to sell speakers from 2,000 or even 3,000 euro now in the shop, and you think they are going to use good drivers, no, they do not use top quality drivers for speakers from 2000 and 3000. If you think you can buy speakers from 2000, I mean, it is a lot of money, €2,000, yeah. But if you think you have, then, well, maybe there are exceptions. But I mean, I cannot find those exceptions on the market, not yet. Maybe the Chinese market brings some air that they can produce quality speakers over there, yeah, with not so much, not so expensive, and make those speakers from them. Yeah, maybe that's my only hope. But those settled brands like, well, I'm not going to call names, but you know what I mean with settled brands. Those brands want to make profit. Every brand wants to make profit. These days, I think they put more money in the design, because if you see speakers from 2,000 and 3,000 euro, they are beautiful speakers. And with those designs, they put the customers on the wrong leg. I mean, if a customer comes to a shop and they see, oh, that's quality building, beautiful building quality. Often they take their woman with them, yeah, and women are, they are less interested in sound quality and more interested in building qualities, in looks and design. So I think if you today have a modern speaker from 2,000 euro, my friend, that's a lot of money. I do not yet. My max is 1,500 yet up till now, but I still did not invest 2,000 euro for a speaker. But if you go to see those speakers, they are beautiful. But the drivers inside them, no, my friends, for 2,000 euro, that means that speaker, if it is selling for 2,000 euro in the shop, yeah, that means that speaker company have to build those two speakers, yeah, for about 400-500 euro a piece, because they have to make profit too, yeah. Everybody have to make profit, so they have to build, I think, 400 euro. So what drivers can you expect in one speaker? If the cabinet is very beautiful, so a lot of money is in that cabinet, and then there is a little money left for, well, the factory workers, yeah, they have to pay, you have to pay their money, and how much money there is left for the speaker drivers? Well, I mean, if you know that one of these drivers, at the moment, only one, this driver you can see here, I'm not sure, but the easy can cost 250-300 euro, my friends. Only one driver. Then you have the mid, and you have these two drivers over here, and you have one other built-in driver, and they are using the TIV driver, and the TIV 250 is very expensive. Well, let me see how much. Let me see how much the TIV 50. Well, you can see over here 266 euro for the TIV 250 XS. Of course, this is a modern one, but the sound will be the same. Let's see what this 400 TIV, well, you can see over here 304. I think they are not longer selling, but this was a very expensive speaker, my friends. And so this guy is well, he is selling them, and of course they are too big. I do not want them, they are too big for me, and not even they will not even go in my car. I think this is not a problem, this is easy to solve. And for the rest, if you have time, you can You know how to veneer speakers. These are excellent speakers for the price, because this guy asked 135. You already have a bid from 250 euro. I just want to give you a tip. I saw something else today. So this is what I saw today. It was for free. Let me translate in English. I was too late. It was close to Nijmegen where I picked up those IQ speakers. And everything what you see here is for free. And I immediately discovered the speakers. The speakers are the MB Quads 650. The MB Quad 650. These are very good speakers. I never had them before, but I can tell you they are very good speakers. Yeah. What more? And the speakers are looking quite nice. Beautiful speakers. But what I saw in this deck, this Yamaha. You can see this Yamaha over here. Well, this Yamaha is nothing else as a Yamaha KX800 RS. It's the same thing. Watch this. It's the same thing. It is exactly the same thing. And this is a deck what costs you normally between 250, around 200, 250 you can get easy. This is a hell of a deck. I earlier reviewed that Yamaha deck, that beautiful sound. Yamaha made some pretty good decks, my friend. And this guy is selling only this deck for 295 euro. Of course, I think it's a little bit too much. Maybe for 250 you can sell at 200. 200 is a fair price. But this guy is giving it away for free. I mean, so I sent him a message, I give you 25 euro for it, and because it was already online 3 o'clock, and I saw it 3 hours later around 6 o'clock. And the guy mailed me back and he told me, I just give it away. The guy just walked out my house and just give it away. So I was too late, because, I mean, come on, man. For 25 euro, you have this beautiful deck. Okay, this turntable is nothing much. This CD player, I'm not sure. And this amplifier, well, I'm not sure. I do not recognize this amplifier, but I do not think it's a bad. No, it's a nice looking amplifier. Not sure about the quality, but it can't be that bad. No, it's old Yamaha quality. It's always better than the new stuff. And so this is what I missed. This is the Netherlands, my friends. Pick up for free a deck from about 200 minimum. Maybe it needs new belts. That's a small thing for John, my repair guy. And those beautiful speakers, not sure what the value is. Well, these days, speakers like these, 100 euro. So they are, I mean, but you can pick up these two things and the amplifier for 25 euro and 40 euro gasoline. Gasoline is expensive now with the wartime. And so for 65 euro, you have it in your house. I think that's a good deal. But yeah, I'm not always on Dutch eBay, so I miss a lot. Do not think I am day and night on eBay because I score so much. No. Well, today's video was just about this Atlas DSM MK II. If you live close, I would say give it a try. These are hell of a speakers. Highest bid is 250 euro. Even if you buy them for 300 euro, what you buy, my friends, it is an ugly thing. It needs new veneer. Yeah. What you buy is a sound of, well, if you have to buy new speakers in the shop today with the same sound quality, I think it will cost you 4,000 to 5,000 euro. Yeah, and then you can have this same sound but ugly, yeah, for 300 euro in your house. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Put the thumbs up, and for now I say ciao ciao.